Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a video carousel section for your Shopify store. And in this video, I will give an example of the reference site that has the section you want. Let's take a look at how they've set this up. You see they've got an engaging product video playing, a colorful flavor badge tucked in the top left, a 5-star rating, a great customer review, and an add to cart button directly in the slide. And we know exactly how to create every feature of these sections and bring it to your Shopify store by using the Smind Sections app. Now, let's head over to your Shopify admin and open up the Smind Sections app and click Section. You'll want to browse through their available section in the video category and look for the one called Video 11-1. This is exactly what we want. Then click the Install and Customize button to be redirected to your Shopify theme editor. After that, scroll down your page to exactly where you want this new video slider to add. Click the Add section, search for Video, and select Video 11-1 from the drop-down list to drop it right into your page. Click on the main Video 11-1 section header over on the left sidebar to open up its settings. Here is where you can change the main heading to anything you want, and you can highlight the text by making it bold. Keep scrolling down to change the look by setting your video ratio, and we're using 9:16 for that mobile-friendly look, and select the video preview options, so that means the video will play automatically. Then you can pick out how you want your arrows and pagination to look. In this example, you can click the drop-down to swap out the arrow style, and we're picking a sleek, minimal style to keep it looking modern. Right below that, you can adjust the pagination style. Those are the little indicators at the bottom that tell customers there's more to see. Next, scroll down just a bit more to the slider settings. Look for the number of columns on the desktop setting, and we're just going to drag that setting down to 2 videos to be displayed. You can also toggle the slider visual overflow. This is a great little trick that lets the edge of the next video peek in from the side, which naturally encourages your customers to keep clicking and swiping on the mobile view. While we're still in those main section settings, scroll down a bit further until you see the product card area. Just check the box next to Add to Cart button label and type in whatever you want the button to say. Finally, you should scroll down to the colors area. We are going to set both the section scheme and the content scheme to a clean, light option like Scheme 1. If you want to edit the color scheme, just click the button to edit them. Now it's time to add the video and customer review to each slide. Click on the first slide block under your section. Over in the settings on the right, click Select under the video section to upload or pick the specific video you want playing. Below that, you can change the color of the star rating if you want. After that, scroll down to the quote field and paste in a customer review. You can easily adjust the text size right there to make sure it fits the space beautifully. To actually make this slide shoppable, scroll down to the product settings area within the slide. Click Select Product, search for the exact item you're showing off in the video, and add it in. You can update the badge text to call out the flavor or product name. Don't forget to click the color swatches right below that to change the badge's background and text colors so they perfectly match your brand style. Then we have to delete any of the default slides you don't need by clicking the little trash can icon next to them. Then click the duplicate icon next to the slide we just perfectly customized. This copies your entire layout so you don't have to start from scratch on the next one. Repeat what we just did. Update the badge text and colors, drop in the new video, paste a fresh quote, and link it to the next product. Finally, always check your work. Click the little mobile icon at the very top of your editor to preview how your new video slider looks on smaller screens. Make sure everything flows nicely. And once you are completely happy with it, click that Save button in the top right corner to push it live. And that's it, we're done. And thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.